In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on flow future while talking about flow cost figure for 2021 and then some. Kindly remember that you want to think about this and some other forecast while taking other factors into consideration, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like flow. Presently, we should head into it. Before we dive profound into the particle value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that flow is a wise venture or not. For what reason will flow succeed or fizzle, or for what reason will flow value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what is flow and the way in which it happened. What is flow crypto? After CryptoKitties was sent off in 2017, significant defect of the Ethereum blockchain stood out in contrast to everything else: adaptability. The NEAT group tried and assessed various ways to tackle this issue of versatility and thought of an answer: flow. Flow is a quick, decentralized, and designer-cordial blockchain created by the group behind CryptoKitties. Flow was worked to help an entire organization of applications, games, and the in-application buys that make them run. Flow was fabricated particularly so that without haggling decentralization or compromising quality, an application's organization holds the guidelines expected to make them run as expected. To additionally make sense of this, it offers a safe method for designers to expand on one another, opening up opportunities for billions of shoppers all over the planet. Flow value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of a total breakdown. Bitcoin has fallen 75% from its unsurpassed high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs. At the point when add the latest implosions of tremendous industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous play, and thus the auction. Our algo still sees a some green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the far off and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days, with a sprinkle of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause an ordinary and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized investigation and central evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and speculative potential, and a few other exclusive elements created in our crypto lab. Flow value expectation for the following 10 days. 2022 12/01 plus 2.95% $1 172022 1202 plus 0.74% $1 152022 1203 0.51% $1 132022 1204 5.29% $1 08 2022 1205 plus 0.73% $1 152022 1206 5.27% $1 08 2022 1207 5.65% $1 07 2022 1208 4.86% $1 08 2022 1209 6.06% $1 07 2022 1210 plus 0.81% $1.15 flow value forecast 2022. High expansion and very perilous large-scale circumstance thought about vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022. At the point when we take the interior crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively really great for the bulls. We will likely see a ton of exhausting sideways cost activity with an inclination to slip lower with every minor market quake. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the last a very long time of 2022 and 2023. 2022 deck. 9.10% $1.03 2023 Jan. 27.97% $0 8189 2023 Feb. 28.54% $0 8123 2023 Blemish. 18.03% $0 9319 2023 APRA. 16.57% $0.94842023 May 8.07% $1.05 2023 June 4.99% $1.08 2023 Joel plus 7.86% $1.23 2023 Aug plus 8.41% $1.23 2023 Sep plus 16.73% $1.33 2023 Aug plus 17.79% $1.34 2023 Na plus 26.00% $1.43 FLOW value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees flow coming to $2.25 in 2025. What will flow be worth in 5 years? The cost of flow in 5 years could lie around $2.19. Flow value expectation 2030 to 2040. What flow will be worth in 2030? Our estimating model sees flow coming to $5.63 in 2030. What flow will be worth in 2040? Our estimating model sees flow coming to $11.25 in 2040. Will flow supplant, outperform, surpass Bitcoin? No, flow won't supplant or surpass BTC. Will flow reach $100? No. Our expectation model sees no opportunities for flow to reach $100 in the short or mid-term period. Is flow worth purchasing? We are backers of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put the vast majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a bushel of large cap coins, and the rest in little undertakings with enormous potential gain. Along these lines, in this unique situation, flow merits purchasing. Is flow a wise speculation? Flow is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher likelihood of going up than down due to the great use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. What amount will flow be worth? For the transient future, it could reach 68 cents. In the long haul, it could leap to $5.63 or considerably higher. For what reason will flow succeed and become more expensive? Flow has a decent use case, very much planned tokenomics, dynamic local area, and a strong group behind it. These are an essential for progress, and to that end our expectation model sees flow ascending to $5.63 in 2030. For what reason will flow come up short and drop in cost? Crypto projects fall flat in light of multiple factors. The absolute most normal ones are: group denounces any and all authority and forsakes the task, controllers announce it unlawful and press trades to delist it, absence of media consideration, more fruitful contenders, absence of all-around planned advertising system, losing local area support, likely weakness in the convention, neglecting to accomplish expected least development movement on the convention, neglecting to draw in new designers to expand on their foundation. How high will flow go? Our estimating model sees flow value detonating and coming to $11.25 in a far-off future. What is the transient expectation for flow? Flow will reach 68 cents in the following 90 days, which is a 39.4% change over the ongoing cost, which drifts around $1.14. Could flow make you a mogul? Indeed, in the event that you purchase huge enough amount